Adsby is a smart and powerful Google Ads management platform designed to help marketers, businesses, and agencies run high-performing campaigns with ease. Instead of spending hours juggling keywords, writing ads, and analyzing reports, you can now manage everything in one place with the help of artificial intelligence. It's a game changer for anyone looking to save time while boosting their advertising results. With Adsby, setting up Google search campaigns becomes a fast and simple process. Just enter basic details like your target website, campaign goal, bid strategy, and location. From there, the platform uses artificial intelligence to recommend high-quality keywords and generate engaging ad copy. You can preview the final ad before launching it live, making campaign setup both accurate and efficient. Once your ads are running, Adsby helps you optimize your spend. It scans all your active campaigns and provides a one-click overview filled with clear suggestions, whether it is identifying underperforming keywords or finding new search terms with untapped potential. Adsby highlights where you can make changes to increase return on investment. Managing multiple ad accounts is also easy with Adsby. You can switch between client or business accounts from any tab and invite team members to your workspace to collaborate. It is ideal for agencies and marketing teams who handle several campaigns at once. One of the standout features is the reporting system. You get high-level summaries, complete with graphs and trends, all generated by artificial intelligence. These reports can be white-labeled, allowing you to add your branding and present polished updates to clients or stakeholders. Adsby is available on AppSumo with multiple lifetime pricing tiers. Starting plan is $79 US, supporting one ad account and up to $5,000 US in monthly ad spend. Higher tiers increase your account connections, team members, monthly ad spend limits, and artificial intelligence credits. All plans come with white label reports, artificial intelligence ad creation, smart suggestions, campaign optimization, and more. If you want to simplify and scale your Google Ads strategy, Adsby offers powerful features without the ongoing costs. With AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, there is no risk in giving it a try. Grab your lifetime deal from the link in the description and let Adsby take your ads to the next level.